Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Cardano from Uphold to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding some ADA on Uphold and want to move it over to Coinbase for better management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your accounts are all set up. Log into your Uphold account and verify that you have Cardano, ADA, in your wallet. Over on Coinbase, ensure your account is verified and that you have a Cardano wallet address ready. In 2025, crypto platforms might have updated security features, so keep an eye out for two-factor authentication. It's your best friend against scams. Step 1. Head to your Uphold dashboard and navigate to your Cardano holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll select the amount of ADA you want to transfer. Remember, fees can vary, so check the estimated costs to avoid surprises. Aim to withdraw enough to make it worthwhile. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient address. This is crucial. Copy your Coinbase Cardano wallet address directly from the Coinbase app or website. Double-check it to prevent any lost funds. A wrong address could send your ADA into the void. Also, ensure you're using the correct network. Cardano transactions typically use the Cardano blockchain, so select that option if prompted. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a summary of the transaction, including fees and the final amount. Review it carefully, then approve. Now, sit back and wait. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. After the transfer, log into Coinbase and check your wallet. You should see your ADA arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Give it time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan. And there you have it. Your Cardano is now safely in Coinbase. This step-by-step guide keeps things simple and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.